I'm very delighted as I'm virtually present with Mr. Anil Swaroop. Hello, sir. How are you? Good afternoon.
Fine, thank you.
Okay, so not taking much of the time, sir, I would like to know from you that do you think that as we are facing this pandemic situation, what are your views after, like in the education system, what will remain and what will be swiped off forever?
Sorry, come again. Your last part got lost.
Sorry. As per you, as we are facing this global pandemic situation, what are your views that what will remain and what will be swiped off forever in this life of a student in a school life?
The unusual situation not made out of any human intervention. It has happened and now it is for us to take care and take it forward. It is very difficult to predict how long it will last and what are the likely impact. But I think there are some trends that are emerging. I think
Okay.
gradually technology will be used more and more, at least in the coming year, till this settles down totally, in terms of communicating with people, and that will apply to education as well. Uh, I think physical interface will drop down quite substantially as we go along, and hence technology will play a very, very important role in interacting with people around. So that I think would be an impact, and each one of us will have to be prepared to make use of such an opportunity because we are fortunate in this country to have technology through which you can communicate with people. So that could come handy for people who want to interact with others.
Okay, very well said, sir. Also, what do you think that what different steps should be taken by the leaders of the schools to make a different impact in the life of a student in this current situation?
In the current situation, my suggestion, as I have been giving to most of the principals and school leaders, is that engage with the children. And engagement can come through dialogue, through internet, and through other platforms. But engagement is extremely, extremely important. Leaving the
Okay.
child alone, there could be many, many problems if he's left alone. Now, this engagement could come directly through the net or through their parents, but engagement is must. Keep the child occupied. I have been advising a number of schools to work out a daily curriculum and reach out to children, 2 to 3 hours curriculum every day, so that they interact with them on a regular basis wherever is it possible. And it is
Okay.
possible because I understand that most of families have one or two smartphones with them. So this is quite possible, and the connectivity is fairly good. So the school should engage with children on a daily basis. They should work out a curriculum for 2 to 3 hours every day, so that the children are engaged and involved as they were when they were attending schools.
Okay, that's a really good advice. I would myself like to give suggestion to my brother. Okay, that's great, sir. That was all from my side. Thank you so much for being such a wonderful interviewee. Thanks a lot, sir. So, people, this was Shruti Anand, virtually present with Mr. Anil Swaroop with the live seminar at NCCN. Thanks a lot.